They walked in together, slowly, as if it was just a normal day. He walked beside them, calm, trusting, like always. He didn't know this would be the last time he sees them together. The door closed behind them. New smells, strange voices, an unfamiliar place. He tensed a little, but still believed it was just another stop. Just one more moment, and they would go home. Together. They said something, quickly, without emotion. A signature, a short glance, and a step back. He looked at them. That same look, the one he gave every day, full of trust, full of love. But this time, they didn't respond. They turned away and left. He took a step forward, then another, as if he wanted to follow them, like always. But the door was already closed. He stopped and just stared. 1 minute, 2, 3. He waited. Because dogs always wait. At first he stood. Then he sat by the door, without looking away. Every sound made him flinch. Footsteps, voices, movement behind the wall. It's them. Maybe that's what he thought. But the door didn't open. Hours passed. People came and went. Other dogs barked. Life went on. But he was still staring at the door. At some point, he whimpered, so quietly, as if he was afraid that if he made a sound, they wouldn't come back. It wasn't a cry. It wasn't fear. It was a question. Where are you? He didn't understand. Dogs don't understand forever. They don't understand being given away. They only know one thing. My human will leave and come back. But this time, that didn't happen. Night fell quietly. The light grew dim. The noise faded. He lay down by the door, where he last saw them. He didn't eat, didn't move. He just waited. His eyes no longer scanned the room. They froze on one single spot, where his world ended. And then he cried. Quietly, barely noticeable. But this time, it wasn't a whimper. It was loss. People think dogs don't cry, but they just don't see what it looks like. It's when they stop moving, when they don't come, when they don't respond, when the light fades right out of their eyes. For him, this wasn't a new chance, not a new home. For him, this was the end of everything he knew. Because for a dog, a human is not part of life. It is their whole life. And when that human leaves, he doesn't lose a home. He loses his whole world. The next morning, he was still there, by the same door, still waiting. Because even after everything, he believed that they would come back. Always.